Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In this video, we'll be seeing boundary boss base option. It is a feature available in Solidworks which is used to add material between two profiles to create a solid feature. So first let's create a reference plane. I'll select the front plane for and create two offsets. Press OK and again sketch. I'll draw a rectangle for and exit sketch, draw on this plane again, and similarly another rectangle or square, exit, and then we choose boundary boss base option and select the two sketches. So we have the option activated over here. So here we have options like direction vector, normal to profile. We'll see the direction vector option next. So first let's see normal to profile. So if we use normal to profile, we get an arrow like this. We can adjust the profile. Similarly, it can be done for the other sketch too. We get the arrows. We can adjust the profile as needed. We can also use the thin feature available here based on the requirement and press OK. We get the hollow feature. Now delete this operation. We'll add a vector, direction vector for this. So let's choose top plane to sketch on and hide these two planes so that it is clearly visible. Now top plane and sketch, choose a center line and just add a direction vector in whichever direction you need. Exit sketch and again activate the boss base boundary base option. Now select the sketches and now select whichever sketch you want to use the direction vector for. Select the direction vector option here, select the vector. You get an arrow over here to adjust. The arrow direction can also be reversed to go in the other direction. Similarly, it can be done for the bottom profile as well, so it can be extended based on the requirement, however it's needed, and then you can press OK. The feature is ready, and the guide curves also can be added. So let me delete this operation again and again sketch the guide curve. So I'll just sketch a simple spline over here. Select this and this, exit sketch and again activate the boundary base option. So select the two sketches and now in direction 2 select the guide curve, and that's we got it. We can again use options over here, so we get options to adjust. Even the guide curve can be adjusted. So this is how boundary base option works. It is similar to lofted base option, but the only difference is in lofted we won't get these options like direction vector, normal to profile and all. So if we need to use that option, we use boundary base option. So that was boundary base option. So hope it was helpful. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comments. I will try my best answering them. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.